Our next story was written by
Maximus, Abhinab, Alisha, Paetin. This is our story!
and it's called Kitchen Trouble.
Hi, my name is Phoenyx, with a Y. Phoenyx. And I live in Phoenix, Arizona, with my dog Cleveland. Hi, Cleveland.
Hi.
I don't know where my mom is. I think I'm gonna call her. Bring, bring. Hello, who's this? It's your daughter, Phoenix with a Y?
Phoenix daughter.
Oh, Phoenix with a Y! Oh, hi, honey. How'd you get this number? Hi. I went to my contact list and pressed... Mom, where are you? Oh, I'm on a business trip in NYC. I guess she's on a business trip to NYC. You know what? I'm really hungry for my favorite ice cream. Cleveland, what do you think I should do?
You should get some ice cream.
Okay, I'm gonna get some ice cream. Oh, but it's way high up there on the fridge. I don't know if I can reach it. Maybe if I climb up on the fridge. All right. And then get on this shelf and... I was too heavy for the shelf, and now both of my arms are broken. Maybe I can still try to open it with my mouth.
I'm sorry for making you fall.
Cleveland, no! Cleveland ate all of my ice cream, and both of my arms are broken.
Knock, knock.
Come in.
It's your neighbor, the service dog trainer. I heard a lot of commotion. Are you okay in there?
No, I'm not okay.
Oh, well, I'm really sorry to hear that. Unfortunately, the only thing I know how to do is train service dogs. Does your dog need training?
Yes, he needs a lot of training.
Okay, come with me, pup. It's a very simple training process. Number 1, we gotta make sure your owner, Phoenix, with a Y, never gets hurt again. But if she does, call the doctor. Use this voice translator box.
What?
You're all trained up.
That's all? That's it?
All right, Phoenix with the Y, that's it. Good luck with the arms.
Thanks.
How can I help you?
I need you to call the doctor. My arms are broken.
Hello? My friend Phoenix with a Y needs your help. Please, hurry, doctor. I called the doctor.
Thank you, Cleveland. You're such a good dog.
The end.
Are the story